Hello. Hi everybody. Hello. How are you all? Good? Very good children. See, we are learning to write C. Okay? Small alphabet C. Okay? See, we have already done in the workbook. This is your workbook children. See, can you see this is your workbook? Yes? Happy hours workbook. Yes? And we have written C in this copy. Yes, we have done in this. Fine. We have done C in this. Okay, this is C. C for car, C for cake. Now, ma'am is going to teach you to write in your CW copies. Okay, the CW copies. This is your English CW copy. Yes, here it is written English CW. Everybody can see? Yes, very good. All of us, we will open a new page. Yes, we will open a new page and you will write in this. Yes, I'll show you how to write C. We have already done the strokes, that is the slanting line. We have done this. Then after that, what we have done? We have done I. Yes, and how we have written I? Again, we did a slanting line, then a straight line and a small curve. Then this becomes I. Then ma'am has taught you to write E. After I, we have done E. Why ma'am is teaching you all this? This is the pattern so that you know how to write it. Okay, see, this is E. Everybody can see? Again, a slant line in the blue line. Then for I, we made a standing line and we turned a little. Okay, then it became I. Now for E, what you have to do? Again, a slanting line in the blue line. Then we have to turn back. Okay, you have to turn back and give a small curve in the blue line itself. And then come a little up. This becomes E. Now ma'am is going to teach you to write C. Ma'am is already teaching you in the live classes, and still if some children are unable to attend the live class, so ma'am is going to teach you over here. But children, see, I would ask everyone to attend your live classes. Yes, you should attend the live class because मैम आपको वहाँ पे पढ़ाती हैं, आपको समझाती हैं, आप मैम से मिलते हैं लाइव क्लास में, so you understand it very nicely. Still, ma'am is going to teach you how to write C. Now, everybody look here. This is your first line and ma'am is going to send this video to you and also the PDF so that you can do this work in your CW and HW copies. Okay, that is your fair copies. Yes, this is your fair copy. Okay children, you have to do the work in this. Okay, fine. And you cannot write it on your own and ma'am cannot come to the school and you are also not coming to school. Ma'am is coming to your home through the video and through the live classes. Yes, so here Mama will write the first line for you, right? Still, ma'am is going to teach you. See, Mama will write the date over here, then the CW. Here the date 4.5. And 21. This will be C. W. Okay, the first line, this is C. Okay, Mama will write this for you and I will teach you how you have to write. Now everybody, all the children, take your pencils in your hand. Yes, and you will put your pencil on the lower blue line near the margin. This is your margin line, and you will put your pencil on the lower blue line here like this, okay, and you will take it up. Seedha one nahi, you will make a slant line like this. Can you see the slant line? Then come in front like this, come back, make a small curve till the lower blue line, and then go up like this. This becomes C. Okay. Now from here, you see, this is the slant line. Everybody can see the slant line. Come a little in front, bend a little, then go back, a small curve till the lower blue line, and then a little up. This becomes C. Again, put your pencils on the lower blue line. Put your pencil on the lower blue line. Make a slant line. Go to the upper blue line. थोड़ा सा सामने आएंगे. Come. Turn a little. Then go back again. Don't lift your hands. Come down to the lower blue line and go up a little. C. What is this? C. Again. Everybody can see? Put your pencil on the lower blue line, slant line to the upper blue line, come in front, bend a little, go back again, make a small curve till the lower blue line and go up a little like this. This is C. What is this? C. Now we will come to the next line. Put your pencil on the lower blue line. Everybody slowly go up. Make a slant line till the upper blue line. Turn a little in front. Go back again on the same line. Make a small curve till the lower blue line and then turn a little up. C. सबके समझ में आ रहा है? अब मैम फिर से बताएंगे आपको. Put your pencil on the lower blue line. This is your lower blue line. A slant line like this. Everybody, very good. I can see so many children writing. Turn a little like this. Come back again and go up. This is C. Like this. Everybody, the children who cannot write will see the video again and again, and you will know how to write. Put your pencil on the lower blue line. Make a slant line to the upper blue line. Turn a little in front, small curve. Bring it down to the lower blue line and go up like this. This becomes C. Children, you have to complete the full page. This is the CW. We have already done it in the live class, and you will do the HW also. 2 pages you have to do. Yes. This is the CW. Everybody can see. CW, see over here. CW, this page you have to do. And then this is HW. Yes. And you have to complete this page also. Right, children? Everybody? But still I will ask you to attend your live classes. Yes? And every day you have to do your reading also. Okay, children? Practice this every day and you will become perfect. Okay? Bye-bye.